Welcome back to another episode, and this is my first time I'm doing a voiceover. So, excuse me if there is any sound issues. I'll try to improve it as the time goes. So, today I want to share with you guys a trade that I took on Monday this week, and it was approximately a 10-hour trade. And so, this was a retracement trade, and I was still expecting price to make a new higher high, and as you guys can see, it already made a new higher high on the charts. So let me break down the trade on 1 minute time frame. So as you uh, can see, this is the Asian range. Okay, so the price first took out the Asian high during the London Open time window, and then the price broke a minor structure, okay, to the downside, and I was supposed to enter at this imbalance, but I was not at my desk at that point. So I still entered the trade for 10 hour right over here. Okay, it was still a good trade for 10 hour. So as soon as the price made a new low, I moved my stops to break even, and I was basically risk free at this point. Okay, so and I took my first partial below this low. I took off 50% volume. So at around 1 is to 4, approximately 1 is to 4 RR, I took my 50% partial. And it is always advisable to take some partials on the way, as the market can reverse back on you, and you don't want it to hit uh, your your stops without you being able to pay yourself. Okay, so this was my trade on GU, and it was not the A plus setup, and but it was still worth the risk.